So there actually is a light version of the Buldak hot chicken flavored ramen. So the package says that they're 40% less spicy and that there are less calories. I did notice the halal sticker, so I scanned it with my phone and the halal certification pops up. So it comes with 2 packets, a sauce packet and a dry packet. I'm going to cook it according to the directions because you guys be on my case about the water. So these noodles are square and they are thinner than the regular Samyang noodles. They remind me of the top ramen noodles that we usually see in the grocery store. And here I am, guys, pouring out all the water. Congratulations, we have achieved dryness. My saving grace to get any broth is to be able to add 8 tablespoons of water back to the pan. So that's about a half a cup according to Emmy. Okay, so here's our sauce, which does kind of seem like it's a bit lighter, not as thick. And then we stir fry them for 30 seconds. All right, guys, so in the bowl we go. This is what we're looking like. They are nice and glossy. They look really good. They still smell spicy. They had a nice little pack of the nori and the sesame seeds, so I'm gonna put that all over the top. And this is looking pretty good, guys. All right, so do I? Don't I? Do I? Don't I? Y'all know how I am about my spring onions in the jar, so we just gonna put a few up there. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. And now the moment we are waiting for. Let's get into these noodles, y'all. Okay, so the noodles are supposed to be 40% less spicy, but I'm still picking up the spice. They're not as spicy, but I'm still getting a good amount of spice here. The noodles are still delicious. They are lighter in flavor, but the spice is still there. Now you guys know from my other videos how much I love my broth, and it was definitely missing here. Because of the lighter flavor of the sauce packet, the broth would have kind of gave it something extra. The noodles were lighter in texture and they held onto the sauce pretty well. When I got to the end of the bowl, I had nothing left for my trusty spoon.